If Canva is showing a network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a minute or two. This is especially helpful if Canva is not loading, pages are stuck, your designs won't open, or you keep getting connection issues while trying to work. Make sure to watch all the way through so you can try each step in order and get back to editing fast. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A Canva network error is often caused by a weak or unstable connection, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working. If needed, disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes that simple refresh is enough to restore the connection and get Canva loading again. Next, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test. If your connection is very slow or unstable, Canva may struggle to connect properly. If the speed looks low, try moving closer to your router, restarting your modem, or waiting a few minutes and trying again. A stable connection makes a big difference when using web-based apps like Canva. Now try refreshing the page. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and R at the same time to reload Canva. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command and R instead. Refreshing can clear temporary loading issues and reconnect the page to Canva's servers. If the app was stuck because of a small connection glitch, this often fixes it instantly. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Canva's network connection or make the site think your traffic is coming from an unusual location. Disable the VPN completely, then reload Canva and check if the error is gone. If Canva works after turning off the VPN, then the VPN was likely causing the issue. If the problem still isn't fixed, try a different network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're on a phone or hotspot, or connect to another Wi-Fi network if one is available. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Canva itself or with your current internet connection. If Canva loads on a different network, then the original network is probably the source of the problem. After trying these steps, go back to Canva and test it again. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will clear the network error and let you continue working normally. If the issue still continues, it may be temporary on Canva's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. I hope this guide helped you fix the Canva network error quickly. If it did, please give this video a like and make sure you subscribe for more short, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.